Good afternoon. My name is Sharif. This is a project, our final project, Minesweeper. That's the game. So this is just this is not the GUI part. This is the actual code of, I mean the main part of the code. This section, the constructor basically, I mean on the UML it tells you what to write. Just copied it from there. So there's gonna be like 10 rows, 10 columns, 25 bombs, and it's like 10 by 10. It's gonna be like 10, 10 by 10 thing. Um, so yeah, so that's that. And then we have um, these are like basic, just taken it from the UML instructions. Okay, so this method, it says on the instruction, it says it's supposed to return a copy of the bomb grid. Uh, so bomb grid um, has a 2D array. It's a Boolean array, so it's like on each coordinate. Let's say 0 0. If there's a bomb, it's gonna say true. If there's not a bomb, it's gonna say false. The bombs are gonna be placed randomly. So this is how you copy that. Like, just create a copy of that basically. It goes through the rows about 10. And this is the count grid method. It's the same thing. The UML says just return a copy of the count grid. So just use the system.array copy method to copy the count grid. And okay, so this one, it says it's a private method, so we're supposed to create a bomb grid, meaning like that. Remember the 25 bombs that we're gonna have, maximum 25. This method places them randomly, right? So what it does, so this is, I'm just creating a random number, generating a random number, and while bombs placed, but usually it's 0 because there's no bomb there, is less than 25, which is number of bombs, which is 25 over there top. Then as long as it's less than 25, it's just gonna keep generating random location. I mean random coordinate. No number rows and number column. And then if at that location there's no bomb, then it's gonna place that bomb there, and then it's gonna increment the number of this. It's some simple method. Okay, now what this one is doing, this is a tricky one. Okay, so the first two, so okay, the purpose of this is, let's say at the location 0 0, there's like that. Let's say if that one, okay, let's just I'm gonna run this and I'll explain this to you. So let's say here, location, okay, location 0 0 1 2 3 0 3. Okay, location 0 3, there's a bomb, right? 0 3 has a bomb. What's around it? How many bombs around it? So including that, so 1 2 3 4. See, 1 2 3 4. So this is supposed to return 4 at that. So if I go here, you see there 4. Sorry, 4. Right. So it's basically like checking around like adjacent um, places. If those are true, if those are true, it just keep adding the count to it, and it just returns the number. I mean the yeah, not returns, like the assigns that number to count grid for that one. Okay. All right. So the first two for loop is basically it's going through the entire set. This is the whole thing. Okay. And then the second two is basically is checking. Is checking the things around it, right? So it's basically checking it. So the way it does, like um, let's say um, um, yeah, like I said, like if that location has like one, um, it, it just adds the increments the count grid of that, um, you know and returns it like that. But the idea is like it checks things around it. So let's say if for example, if this one right here, this one doesn't have anything around it, so it returns 0 at that location. This one has only, it should do 2. Oh, my bad, wrong one. Okay, this one has only 1, so it returns 1. I mean, it assigns number 1 for that. Okay. Count grid, see count grid here, count grid. This is what we're using here. All right. And this is how I checked if it actually worked or not. Yeah. So anytime you have a 2D array, you always want like you need like two um, like nested loops to check it. So yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The GUI part, I don't quite understand it, so I didn't really write it like that. But that's this one.